Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and if your AirPods sound too quiet, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to fix it. There are a few common reasons this happens, and I'll cover everything you need to check. First, start with the software limits that could be affecting your volume. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, and tap on Headphone Safety. If Reduce Loud Sounds is turned on, your iPhone might be automatically lowering the volume to protect your hearing. Switch it off to remove any restrictions on your AirPods volume. Next, check if dirt or earwax is blocking the speakers. Over time, debris can build up and make the sound weaker. Use a soft cloth, a brush, or a toothpick to carefully clean around the speaker mesh. Just be gentle. You don't want to push anything further inside. After that, make sure your volume settings are actually set high enough. Press the volume buttons on your iPhone or open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Adjust the slider to see if that fixes the issue. Another possible cause is low power mode. When enabled, low power mode can limit certain functions to save battery, and sometimes that affects audio output. Go to Settings, then Battery, and turn off low power mode to see if your volume improves. If the problem continues, try resetting your AirPods. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and tap Forget this device. Then reconnect them like you did when you first set them up. This can refresh the connection and fix any audio bugs. Finally, check if your iPhone and AirPods are running the latest software. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause volume issues. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update to make sure everything is up to date. That's it. One of these steps should get your AirPods back to normal volume. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you later.